We tend to place bets on stellar teams with great ideas and work to build a company around it. And this is a team that has developed large scalable products before. They are a tier 1 A team from the inception, and they really provide you with the confidence that they're going to be able to go and execute on their plan and on their story.
The thing that was immediately impressive was the maturity of the team, the depth of experience you had. You were coming from a world where you'd been dealing with very complex systems, and you had done a lot of analysis of this opportunity. And so we immediately knew we had the team we wanted.
A group of people who have built big systems before and brought them to market and have been very, very successful at creating like very large infrastructure-based systems. And this is very rare, to have both the ability to see quite far into the future and also be able to execute and deliver. And that's what really attracts me to the management team.
Potentially we can build systems that are a tenth of the cost of the way they're done today. So when you start to see orders of magnitude at play, that's when you have to drill down and look at the substance.
We're between 1/10 and 1/20th the cost of incumbents' machines. We're about 1/10 the footprint of incumbents' machines. We have about 1/10 the power dissipation of incumbent machines, whether they're coming from HP Sun or IBM. And we have about 1/10 of the cabling. So if you were buying a large computer installation, these are very material. We're talking millions and millions of dollars of saving to build a data center out of a Liquid machine versus an incumbent machine from HP or IBM.
They are really learning how to drive costs for customers down by taking the best available computing technologies together and assembling them in an innovative way to create the performance that they are developing.
Computing communications convergence. This is something you'll start to learn about more, but today no one talks in those terms. They talk about voice over IP and sort of voice converging on IP. A convergence you're going to see is communications and computing infrastructure merging, because actually underneath it's the same. But no one's figured out the formula to take a system design and make it work in both areas cost effectively. And we designed this system from the ground up, from the get-go, with the DNA to be able to be used both in communications and in computing.
It's kind of like a light bulb going off. It's like, you've turned the light on, it's like, that's fascinating. That'll work.
By merging two types of technologies, communications and data processing, and using new architectures, they've come up with a way of doing things faster, cheaper, better, which is actually pretty rare. Usually it's incremental and it's little better. This is dramatically better.
What they're doing that's novel is they're approaching computing problems from a communications perspective, applying telecom principles, telecom architectural ways to solve fundamental computing industry problems you're seeing throughout the computing landscape.
Liquid Computing is a company that's delivering the next generation computer, high-performance computer architecture. And it's an architecture that highly leverages communications technology in a way that no one's ever done before.